Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are well. Since we cannot move out due to Corona, so we decided to take you out virtually. So let's start our journey. Do you know where we are going? We had already visited school, banks, and hospital. Now we are going to one of the important place which should be in our neighborhood. Okay, before that, I will ask you two questions. Do you know what to do when a thief comes at your place, at your home? When your mobile has stolen, what will you do? Where your papa goes? Yes, you are going to police station. So it is one of the important neighborhood place, police station. Now we are going to the next slide and see what's in the police station. First of all, we have to know the full form of police. P, police. O, officer. For L, legal. I, investigation. And C, criminal. E, emergency. So police officer for legal investigation and criminal emergency. So you should remember the full form of police. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Now, what is inside the police station? When anybody has stolen the mobile or any other problem, so we are going to the police station. How it looks from the inside. Look at the slides and see it. There is a person who is sitting and writing the FIR. Okay. So when FIR has registered, then its copy should be there with you also, and with one copy with the policeman also. Okay. So now next is prison. So if anybody had done a very wrong work like murder, thieves are there, so any threatening work they had done, so everybody has gone to the prison. Okay, we have two types of prison basically, male lockup and female lockup. It's not like that females are also in the male lockup. Okay, so we in the police station you have the different two lockups, male lockup and female lockup. Okay, next is women police training. Before going or entering in the police, you have to give the written exams, you have the trainings, you must be physical fitness. It's not like that you have the fever, you have something. No, you must be full fitted. They have the physical test, their weight and written exam also, and then they have started the training. And these all women are moving on the rope. Okay, they are trying to moving on the rope. They have very difficult training. Let's see. Like that, they have the good training. Like this also. Okay, so you can see these types of risky and difficult training are there. So many times they need the gun also. They have to shoot to someone. So they have the gun training also. Okay. Group training. The people who are entered in the police, they have the group training like this. Okay, so they are doing exercises also. They have proper routines. They learn judo, martial art, everything they know. Okay, they are very disciplined. So now we should know there are many PCRs around us. So what is the full form of PCR? Police Control Room. Look at the PCR. So these types of PCR like written Delhi Police PCR, आपके साथ आपके लिए सदैव. Okay, आपके साथ आपके लिए सदैव. This is a Delhi Police PCR and light is blink like this. Sometimes horn they are using. So we know Delhi PCR. And what is the full form of PCR? Police Control Room. We should know all these things. Next is, if we need police help in any case, so we have to dial 100 number. Either we are in Delhi or we are in UP. Okay, so we have to dial 100 number. This you have to remember it. Next, duties of police. When we are going to police station, so in the police station, many policemen are here. So they have some duties also. Okay. Police is always there to help us. The primary duty of police officer is to protect people and property. This is the primary duty. What the primary duty? Police officer will protect the people and the property of India. Okay, so we are going to see in the next slide. Police deal with criminals. Look at, these are the criminals who had done some wrong work, wrong things, and these are dealing, police officers are dealing. Okay, police keep dogs to help them. Police have the dogs who are again trained and they are just smelling the things. Is it fine? Is it right? Or it has the bomb? So many times you have seen police has a dogs and those dogs have also trained. Even sometimes if you have gone to the trade fair Pragati Maidan, when it was the fair few years back, so there was a special program of police dogs who were trained and they are showing their many things, many activities. Police security in airport. We all know police has the responsibility to secure the people in airport also. Okay, they have a good judgment, strong communication, ability to multitask, professionalism and physical stamina. Police security in railway station. Look at the picture. Generally we see when we are going by train also that police has a dog and they are moving here or there because they have the very strong judgment, very strong. They can know, they can see the people and who is thief and who is the normal person. They are always attentive in the metro stations also. Do you know this thing? In metro station, you cannot take a photo. They will interrupt you immediately if you take any photo in the metro station of the security reason. Now there are traffic police. Traffic police manage all the traffic on the roads. We all know we have to use the helmet, we should have the license, we should have the pollution, we should have the insurance. We must have all these types of papers which any traffic police can see, or any police can see. Or nowadays if you are without mask, then again also they are doing challan. So we have to take care, at least in these days, of mask. Police in the corona period, we all know they are doing best services in the corona period. They are seriously providing a best services. They are announcing, they are calling us that don't come on the roads, don't go here or there without any special reason, just to protect ourselves, so we can protect the corona, we can save from the corona. So we should avoid to go from the home. We should not go outside from the home. And they continuously, they are helping us, they are telling us. Sometimes they have done the entertainments also for us in the initial days. So police has the important role in our life. Look at here, traffic police is there, police is there, all are here who are telling us that don't move from the home, don't go from the home without any special or important reason. Police helps the poor people to distribute the food also. We all know in the corona days, food, jobs, all have gone. So the very poor people, they don't have to eat anything. So police is also distributing the food. Very good thing. Just look at the pictures, what they are doing for the people, how they are helping us. Police helps when there is an accident. Nobody came to that person who had already accident. No, nobody wants to touch. Only police helps. Police came and he or she will pick that person. So it's again the very important role of police with those people who met with an accident. Police also helps to catch the snake. Do you know this thing? I don't think so. Recently, 2 weeks back, near my neighborhood, there was a snake and they called in the midnight police, and PCR came and some forest officers came and they picked the snake also from my neighborhood. So it is a great thing which we generally don't know, that police also helps to catch the snake, which is dangerous to us. Anywhere snake can hide, but we don't know. So police, you should call the police immediately and they will help out you. Rank of police. Okay, there are some ranks of police. Lowest rank is constable. Look at here, there is nothing on the shoulder and the cap like this. Senior constable, there is a one line. Look at the arm, look at the uniform, and there is only one V line. Head constable, he has the two lines like this on the shoulder. Assistant sub-inspector, there is one star on the shoulder on both the sides, and look at his cap. Sub-inspector, there are 2 stars. Okay. Now the next is police inspector. Police inspector has the 3 stars on the shoulder, and again the cap is different. So we should know all these things. Next is DSP. Okay, Deputy Superintendent of Police. Fine. So he has again the 3 stars and the cap. Everything is different. Okay. Next is ASP, Additional Superintendent of Police. So he has the 1 Ashoka Chakra and the star also. So this is a difference. Both on both shoulder he has this and different cap. IPS Kiran Bedi is a retired Indian Police Service officer, social activist, former tennis player and politician who is the current in Pondicherry. She is the first female Indian Police Service IPS officer. Very diligent, very honest officer. So we must know about her, and she is IPS officer. Many years ago, she was in the Tihar jail, and as an IPS officer, she improved many people, many prisoners. Okay, now we are going to the next slide. SSP. Now you will search out the full form of SSP in the police. Okay. So there are Ashok Chakra and 2 stars. Okay. On both the shoulder he has. DGP, Deputy General of Police. These are the 1 Ashok Chakra, 3 stars like this in the triangular form on both the shoulder, and about the cap you should know. DGP. Okay. So we should know, we can differentiate with their symbols of the shoulders who is designation of the police officer or the constable or different categories. Now at the end, at the last, motto of police: Shanti, Seva, Nyay. Police wants the work should be in the peaceful place, and they will do seva of public, and they will do the justice. In Hindi we will say Nyay. So this is your virtual tour of police station. What the police station, how it works, how the police works for us. So it is a very important neighborhood near us, and we should always believe in the police. Thank you very much, and we will meet soon for the next neighborhood place. Till then, bye, and stay home, stay safe, protect yourself and your family. Bye-bye.